Okay, page 69. I supposed to teach some Buddha. So I was thinking, what should I teach? So I think this book, 69, is the Buddha Shakyamuni Sadhana. So I will go through and we learn together. And after this session, at least you have something. Even, when you go from here, still you can practice this. And you can also find out this in internet. You can get, there are many translations you can find out. So especially today, special day because Buddha revealed Buddha Dharma. So this is today is the day that Buddha revealed the Dharma. So we take that opportunity to practice. So first here, Keme Tongba Nidang Tenjongge Nangwa Gangme Sungjuk Jume Tsu Rangdun Namga Chotin Kyatsu U. So how we visualize Buddha Shakyamuni? Okay, first please sit, meditation posture. Meditation posture. You can put your back on the side and relax your shoulder. Can you deep inhale, deep breathe. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale. One more. Deep inhale. Exhale. Now relax your crown. Close your eyes gently. Relax your crown. Relax your forehead. Relax your jaw, teeth. Relax your tongue, neck, shoulder, elbow. Relax your hand, all the fingers, abdomen. Just relax. Now, just without losing this gentleness, this visualization, let's we read together page 69. Now we are going to practice 8 branch. Here, this 8 branch practice, I like it so much. When I was in a monastery, when I was very young monk, my you know, I didn't get it, really, what is it? But now, spending time in different society, doing a lot of responsibilities, and through this journey, I found this 7 branches practice is one of the best. You know, I call this as 7 vitamins. So you know why? Why it's so important? Because when you, in our daily life, when we go to shopping or to meet friends or engage with the society, many different, when you go through, then what happens? Of course, sometimes we get ego and jealousy and doubtful and anger and ignorance. So these 7 different negative emotions, it's always stay with us. So, you know, when you work in your office and you get very often jealousy. When someone get promotions, you get jealous. So can you imagine at that time, if we know how to rejoice, then your jealousy will drop immediately. So when we don't have jealousy, and even when your colleague get promotion, maybe he or she is giving small party for the promotions, but normally you get inside jealousy, but you have to be polite, or you are also going, you are attending party, at the same time you get jealous. So at that time, if you really sincerely, if you rejoice, then you can enjoy party and you feel also very happy. So see, so therefore, one of the practice here in the 7 branches is the rejoice. Rejoice to other. Whatever they do, you rejoice it. And you feel better. At least you won't get the jealousy. And you know, and the first, it's homage. Homage is the antidote of the ego. And if I come from there, then let's say if I go to shopping malls, if you don't respect, I don't feel anything. But here in this hall, we are having ceremony. So if you do disrespectful, then I don't know, maybe I will get very hurt or something. That means my ego is coming with me. You know, I always tell that I feel so joyful when I reach in airport. The airport, I don't have a title. They don't care. You are chairman, secretary, or Rinpoche, Sifu, you know, guru. They don't care at all. So then you yourself, you drop your ego there. And within 1 hour, they will order you, okay, take off shoes, put it back, take it, laptop out. So you are listening, but still you happily, you accept. So see, when we drop our ego, then how much we can enjoy our life. So therefore, here, first here, homage. Homage is antidote of the ego that we need. Okay, everyone, we get very often our ego. So therefore, we have to know how to homage. And after that, confessions. Confession is antidote of the anger. So again, at least within 3 days, one time we get angry. Do you agree? Who didn't get angry in whole this week? Can you raise hand? Is anyone here never get angry in these 7 days? You? Are you sure? I will ask other volunteers. And I'm happy. So therefore, what we have to do, we have to learn how to say sorry. Homage means very simple that sorry, I will not do again. So this, if you know how to sincerely to say sorry, I will not do this thing again, and that, recently I have seen one interview, one Indian actors, somebody, they interviewed him, and, oh, you have been married so long, almost 40 years. How you maintain that? And he said, I know how to say sorry. And even if I do mistake, I say sorry. Even I'm not wrong, also I say sorry. So that's a family, he can maintain his marriage. He says, it's jokingly, he says like that. But main point is, when we sincerely say sorry, really you feel very good. Let me tell you, recently, I went to the person who is passing almost end of the life, and then he said, Rinpoche, he want to say sorry for someone, but they never came here. He said like that. So see, if you don't say sorry, you are keeping your disappointment. So if you live with the disappointment and you are mentally, you are not fully happy. So second is the confessions. And then the third branch is offering. This is very important. The offering is antidote of the desire. Okay? So let me tell you, some of you already heard. I wear this monk robe. So wherever I go shopping malls, I don't get any big problem with the fancy t-shirt, suit, I don't get. Before I used to wear glasses. So whenever I see glass shop, then I have a problem. Oh, now I'm counting, can I afford, this is good design, this is good color. So then I stuck there more than half an hour. And sometimes I came already in from the shopping mall, but my mind is still in the glass shop. Still I'm not finished. And the most difficult, I'm sure all you are facing this, the most difficult is the most you like it, which you like it, that you can't afford it. So how to do? Should I buy? What to do? You struggle there. So please check that at that time you not necessarily always front of the Buddha offering, There you just offer. And I did few times this nice glass, I offer, I multiply, and I offer. And sometimes it helps me. When I come out of the shopping mall, also I'm free. And I wonder myself, oh, today I don't have so much attachment. What happened? And I realized At that time, I did practice offering. So therefore, the offering, when you go everywhere, when you see nice house, you offer, okay? Car, nice car, shopping malls, whatever you like, you can offer it. And after that, rejoice. Rejoice is the antidote of the jealousy. So I know you have, we jealous for someone always. So now, excuse me, now you rejoice. For example, look at, please, here. If your colleague get promotion, just think about it, one thing. Oh, I try my best to get promotions, but I didn't get it. But at least my colleague is getting promotions, and it's not easy. I know how long or how sincerely I try to get promotion. That much he or she took they try it. So when you go kind of empathy, then you get respect. Not only you, I'm sure you won't jealous. On the top, you get respect. So therefore, rejoice is very important. After that, requesting to Buddha to turn the Dharma wheel, that is antidote of the ignorant how it's harmful, being obstacle, your life. So I won't go detail. After that, one request to those Dharma holder, a noble being, to stay long life. So that is very important to pray. You know, in our society, when politician, Dharma, when we have a good heart leader, meanwhile, everyone get very harmony, peace, gentle. But when someone become leader, those who are not so kind, then everyone get trouble. So similarly, that's why it's very important to pray those noble beings to stay long life. And the final dedications branch, among the 7 branches practice, the dedications. The dedication, you have to dedicate. For example, today we do closing. Tomorrow we have a closing Tripitaka recitation, and that merit we dedicate for all sentient beings. Not only that, I'm sure when you come here, you have been helping for someone. So, okay, so these 7, okay? Please learn more about these 7 branches practice. Okay, so we do practice together. And page 72. And please reflect your meditation. Visualize your right hand, your father, left hand, left side, your mother, in front, your enemy. You invite even your enemy as a special guest, and surrounded all sentient beings. Together we will practice this 7 branches practice, from begin to homage and offering and confession, so on. Nyingje chenpo zunde nyingme jen zungne malay chenpo nga jada pekara dharma sende shirme